Well, welcome back everybody. Here we are back in northwest Wisconsin. Beautiful spring day, May the 12th, 2020. We just went through Hive 1. Now we're going to take a look at Hive 2 and see its progress, and hopefully be adding another box to this one too if it's far enough along. Let's get into it. Give the bees a little smoke, let them know we're going to be bugging them here. Well, yeah, they're still drinking a little bit of the syrup water, but not as much as they were, so my guess is we got nectar flow going on. A little more smoke. You know, this hive did a little better on their pollen patty. You can see they're still consuming it, so I'll add another one to this one. I'll pull out our first frame here. We don't expect much, and there's absolutely nothing on it. 5 bees. And our second frame, again, another blank. So this hive is already showing signs that it is way behind Hive 1, even though they're both installed the same day. Got some comb being drawn here in frame 3. Very little comb. Comb here on the other side. Some nectar they're starting to store. A little bit of pollen. This frame's got some weight to it. Alright, we got this pack full of honey. Pack full of nectar and honey. Starting to cap it off. We've got pollen in some of the cells. No eggs. There we've got a lot of pollen. Capped honey on top, pollen underneath. Nectar. And no eggs. Now if you remember, this is the hive that I had a super seeder cell on last week. Even though we did find the queen, or evidence of the queen, she's not performing up to this hive's liking because they're trying to replace her already. Here they're storing a ton of pollen, nectar, a lot of cells. Oh, no eggs. Looks like we did have some brood hatch. This cell we've got capped worker brood, honey, pollen. Lots of honey, nectar. This side too, it's capped brood, honey. You do see eggs in the cells on this one. So our queen is still laying. Not many. There's only about 100 eggs on that one. And we've got a lot of capped worker brood. No honey, pollen. We got eggs in the cells. The worker brood that has already hatched, she's gone in and laid more eggs, so that's good. Same thing on this side. Worker brood, eggs, honey, pollen. Making sure we don't have any more queen cups being made. A good frame of worker brood, larvae, eggs. He's doing okay on some of these frames. I'm not sure why they're staying away from the right side of the hive. It seems like maybe that's the cold side from the sun. Sun comes up in the east. And it's a little shaded when it gets to the west. Lots of larvae, capped worker brood, eggs. That's a good looking frame there. It's a very productive queen on that frame. I got eggs, nectar, pollen. I'm drawing this out pretty nice. Very nice. I don't see much of anything on the 10th frame, so I'm going to leave that one. So, looking at this hive, they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, 6.5 frames filled out with comb, so they're not ready for another box. Like I said, this hive is a little bit behind my other one. Not sure why. The other one graduated to a new box today because they are booming. And unfortunately, this one is not graduating to another brood box today. We'll give them another week. That seems to be about what they're behind, is a week, week and a half. And let them do their thing. We're in no rush, because obviously they're in no rush on this hive. So, we'll give them another pollen patty and close up here, and hopefully next week we'll be adding another box. And put the pollen patty over here where they're not drawing frames. And that'll encourage them to work over there a little more. Just give them a little bit more to get them by. I don't think they're taking much anymore. I think we do have a nectar flow going on, but not very strong yet. Alright, well, thanks for watching. If you see something I didn't see, or if you have any experience with a hive that's behind like this one, give me some comments, give me some feedback. I would love it. I'm a new beekeeper here in Wisconsin, and I know I have one friend now in Canada. His name is Ray. He's giving me some good advice Actually, Ray has suggested what I did with Hive 1. If you want to see that one, go ahead and watch it. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe. See you next time.